sitting on her toys better than she likes standing. Say hi. I love you. Yes, you love Mama. I love you. Yes, she loves Mama. Did you hear that? I love you. Do you love your Mama? I love you. I pushed my luck. 3 times all I get. Hi. Can you stand up? Up? Good girl. We're ready for the balance beam. You say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.